following message is transmitted at the request of the Chicago Police Department. A mysterious situation is unfolding in the city of Chicago. At 4:30 p.m., a report came in of a mysterious human-like creature on the streets of Chicago. Some have speculated this creature also resembles as an Inkling from the SPLATOON franchise. At this time, no further information is available regarding this creature. As a precaution, all roads in downtown Chicago are closed and there will be no traffic after 5 a.m. Stay tuned as more information becomes available. Civil authorities has issued a civil danger warning for Cook County in Illinois until 6 p.m. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Chicago Police Department. At 4:58 p.m., more creatures have been spotted throughout the city of Chicago. It has been confirmed that these creatures are identified as Inklings from the 2015 video game SPLATOON. As advised, do not go anywhere near these creatures. They appeared to be armed with several weapons. Stand by for more updates regarding this situation as information becomes available. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Several residents have reported seeing people being shot down by the Inklings and holding them hostage. This is a very serious situation. It is now advised that you seek immediate shelter in your homes now. Also, many people claim to be hearing a siren song around the streets in Chicago. If you hear the song, take it as a warning and run. Wait, what is that sound? Oh God. Seek shelter now.
Oh my god. Guys, I don't even know what's happening right now, but I know for a fact that Inklings are literally invading the United States. And this is scary. Radiation flow. Keep the lights off just in case. Somebody's coming to my right. Okay. Sideways. This is scary, guys. Oh, my camera's about to die.
This is not a test. Repeat, this is not a test. The Inklings had planted bombs in several structures in Chicago. Several people were killed or injured by the Inklings. Take cover now. Your life is in serious danger. If you are in Chicago, get away from the area as fast as possible. You only have a few minutes to get to safety. The government is currently working on a solution to put a stop to this situation. All channels will cease transmission. Take to battery-powered radio. We will let you know when this situation has ended. Good luck and God bless Illinois. This is an all clear. I repeat, this is an all clear. The Inklings were successfully killed by the Army Air Defense. The catastrophic event is over. All residents are free to exit their shelters. However, construction crew members will have to repair the damages caused by the bomb explosions. Over 1,200 people were killed, leaving 1,518 other wounded. All channels will now return to regular scheduled programming. Your government thanks you for your cooperation.